How to find page reviews notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find page reviews notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this three lines in the top corner. Click on it, scroll down until you find pages and select your page, and then just click this settings icon in the top corner and click messaging not notifications, and then click on Facebook, and here you will find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.